can purchase your own jump rings that are pre-made, and they're not terribly expensive. These ones are 15-30 seconds, and you get a whole hock and bag full of these for a couple bucks. If you're doing something like jewelry, you can buy whole cases with a variety of different sizes in them. But jump rings are easy to make on your own if you don't have any on hand or you want a specific size. The tools that you're going to need are wire cutters and something cylindrical, whether it's a marker or this is the end of my X-Acto knife, something that is going to be the diameter that you want your finished jump ring to be. And you will need some pre-tinned copper wire. You can do this with regular copper wire that's not been tinned, bare copper wire, and you'll have to tin it yourself. It's best to tin it first before you start wrapping it. It's just easier. Pre-tinned copper wire is not that much more expensive than bare wire, so you may as well just go with that. It's easier. Here's how you do it. Grab your wire, and you are going to wrap it around your cylinder. A general rule of thumb is probably about 10-ish wraps you're going to be able to get around there before it starts to become a bit unwieldy. Here's a little less, but here we go. No. Give it a snip. And now you have this little spring dude, and you kind of want to push it and smush it together, because the general idea is you want them close together so it's easier for snipping. So here we go. You're going to be able to do one at a time, maybe two at a time, depending on how sharp your cutters is and how strong your hands are. And you want to go in a line straight through all of them. Almost done. Flipping, flipping, flipping. And ta-da! Look at all these jump rings that quickly. Just a reminder that you're going to have an open end here. As you can see, we're open, and you just want to move in a back and forth motion also while pushing in a little bit. You can do this with two little pliers if you want to, or with your fingers, until the ends are as close together as possible. Another reminder to make sure that you always put your open end in your solder. You want to get that completely embedded in your solder for both strength and so that your string or whatever else you're hanging it from doesn't slip out of it. To learn more stained glass stuff with me, subscribe. Peace, love, and stained glass.